Hey guys, back again with another review. This time it's going to be a beanie. This is a beanie that was sent to me to review. Let's check it out and see what's in here. All the links and stuff will be below in the description. But this isn't a normal beanie. This is a warm beanie. It's got a light in it. It's got emergency red and blue, which is pretty cool. And I'm shooting outside today, so you might hear chickens and dogs and wind and cars and all that stuff, but check this out. The inside is fleece, really soft, like them throw blankets, you know, that you get during the holidays. This is for emergency use, which is cool. I could have used this actually a few days ago. Some people hit a deer and totally wiped out their car, and we were trying to slow traffic down. They were in the middle of two lanes. We was trying to slow traffic down. This beanie would have come in handy for sure. But like I say, fleece lined, really soft, fits well. It's gonna be warm. I'm gonna use it in the boat. Gonna use it in the boat and hiking and camping and just anything and everything. Easy to turn on and off. It's pretty cool. Now, check this out though. You know, you get these beanies, sometimes they got these little batteries, like watch batteries, and they die all the time and they're no good and you can't keep them going. So, this one, when you want to charge it, check this out. Come inside of here, you just pop this little piece out. That's the light. You pop it out and then you come down here and it just has a regular phone charger. You plug it in, charge it. It didn't come with a charger, but it's just a regular phone charger. All of them will work, so check that out. That's awesome. Rechargeable. You don't have to mess around with batteries. Put it back in. Of course, you can wash it right like this. Just take it and wash it in the washing machine. To put it back in, after you get it done dried and all that good stuff, just pop it right back in. Like so. And you're ready. You're ready to go. Head out on the boat, camping, whatever. Alright guys, check out them links below. These things are really warm, really affordable, and awesome little beanies. I'll be wearing this one out for sure. Y'all take care till next time.